The headquarters of the National Power Training Institute is located in Answer C, Faridabad. The famous Khajuraho temple is located in which state? Answer A, Madhya Pradesh. Which century is related to the construction of the Konark Sun Temple? Answer A, 13th century. Where is the National Institute of Virology situated? Answer A, Pune. Which state is famous for its Madhubani paintings? Answer C, Bihar. Mount Rushmore in South Dakota features the heads of Answer C, American presidents. Which is the smallest Indian city in terms of area? Answer B, Surat. This city is known as the Lord of Black Diamond. Answer A, Asansol. Which one of the following is not a nickname for Kolkata? Answer D, Prince of Arabian Sea. Kandla, situated on the Gulf of Kutch, is well known for. Answer A, export processing zone. Which state is famous for black waters? Answer D, Kerala. Headquarters of the National Archives is located at. Answer, New Delhi. National Police Academy is located at. Answer C, Hyderabad. Badrinath is situated on the bank of which river? Answer B, Alaknanda. What is the name of the leper colony built by missionaries of Charit under the guidance of Mother Teresa? Answer A, Shantinagar. The second Olympic Games were held at. Answer D, none of the above. Held in Paris, France. Which state is famous for Kanchipuram sarees? Answer A, Tamil Nadu. India has the longest border with which of the following country? Answer D, Bangladesh, 4096 kilometers. The former residence of the Raja of Mandi House is now a. Answer C, the office of Director General of Doordarshan. The National Institute of Community Development is located at. Answer A, Hyderabad. Where is Chitrakoot situated? Answer C, Uttar Pradesh. Where is the largest dry rock in India situated? Answer A, Mormugao, Goa. India's largest and oldest museum is located in. Answer D, West Bengal. The famous elephant caves of Mumbai are dedicated to. Answer C, Lord Shiva. Vijay Stamba is situated in. Answer D, Chittor. The Central Scientific Instruments Organization is situated at. Answer D, Chandigarh. Central Road Research Institute is in. Answer A, Delhi. Who is the largest serving Chief Minister in India? Answer D, Jyoti Basu. National Science Centre is located at. Answer D, Delhi. The Indian Institute of Science is located at answer D. Bangalore. The longest dam of India is the answer D. Hirakud Dam. Hawa Mahal is in which of the following cities? Answer A. Jaipur. Smallest country in the world is answer A. Vatican City. The National Designing Institute is located at answer B. Ahmedabad. The largest India state by area is answer B. Rajasthan. Sun Temple is situated at which of the following places? Answer B. Konark. Whose Samadhi in Delhi is called Vijay Ghat? Answer D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Waterloo is located in answer B. Belgium. Largest mint in India is located at answer B. Kolkata. National Institute of Nutrition is located at which of the following places? Answer D. Hyderabad. Buland Darwaza is located in answer D. Fatehpur Sikri. The highest airfield in India is answer A. Chushul. National School of Mines is located in which of the following cities? Answer B. Pune. National Institute of Rural Development is located at answer B. Hyderabad. CDRI is located at answer D. Lucknow. In which of the following city Lal Bahadur Stadium is located? Answer D. Hyderabad. Indian Institute of Sugar Technology is located at answer B. Kanpur. The famous Eiffel Tower is in answer A. France. The state with the smallest population is answer C. Sikkim. Where is the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Answer B. Italy. The famous Meenakshi temple is in answer C. Tamil Nadu. Where is the National Defence Academy situated? Answer D. Khadakwasla. In which of the following places is India's first open university located? Answer C. Hyderabad. The headquarters of the National Power Training Institute is answer C. Faridabad. Headquarters of the newly created South Western Railway Zone is located at answer D. Hubli. Central Mining Research Institute is located at answer B. Dhanbad. The Golden Gate Bridge is located in answer A. San Francisco. Famous Somnath temple is in which of the following states? Answer B. Gujarat. National Institute of Aeronautical Engineering is located at. Answer D. New Delhi. Jawaharlal Nehru Pattan is located in which of the following states? Answer C. Maharashtra. The Place Museum in the Forbidden City is located at. Answer B. Beijing. Vijay Ghat is situated on the bank of. Answer B. Yamuna. Baga village in Gwalior is famous for. Answer D. Cave painting. The Survey of India has its headquarters located in. Answer A. Kolkata. Mahabodhi temple is located at. Answer A. Bodh Gaya. The famous Konark temple in Odisha was built by whom? Answer B. King Narasimha Dev. Identity the state in which Chauri Chaura is located. Answer A. Uttar Pradesh. Where is Bhimbetka Caves located? Answer B. Madhya Pradesh. National Chemical Laboratory is based at. Answer C. Pune. Kanha National Park is in. Answer C. Chhattisgarh. Where is the Forest Research Institute? Answer D. Dehradun. Birideshwara temple is dedicated to. Answer C. Lord Shiva. The Lal Bagh Garden is located at. Answer C. Bengaluru.